Hey, wave riders, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're hitting the surf with 15 incredible facts that'll make you appreciate the sport of surfing even more. So wax up your board and let's dive in. Fact 1. Ancient origins of surfing. Did you know that surfing dates back over 3,000 years? It originated in Polynesia, where it was not just a sport, but an integral part of the culture and spirituality. Fact 2. The biggest wave ever surfed. In 2011, Hawaiian surfer Garrett McNamara rode a mammoth 78-foot wave off the coast of Nazar, Portugal, setting the world record for the biggest wave ever surfed. Fact 3. Surfing's Olympic debut. Surfing made its Olympic debut at the 2020 Tokyo Games, introducing the sport to a global audience like never before. Competitors showcased their skills in the exhilarating waves of Surigasaki Beach. Fact 4. The art of shaping. Every surfboard starts as a blank canvas, but it's the shaper who transforms it into a masterpiece. These craftsmen use a combination of skill and creativity to shape boards tailored to each surfer's preferences. Fact 5. Surfing's health benefits. Beyond the thrill of catching waves, surfing offers a myriad of health benefits. It improves cardiovascular fitness, strengthens core muscles, and enhances balance and coordination. Fact 6. The Surfer's Code. Surfing has its own unwritten code of ethics known as the Surfer's Code. It emphasizes respect for fellow surfers, the ocean, and the environment, ensuring everyone can enjoy the waves safely and responsibly. Fact 7. Surfing's global impact. Surfing isn't just a sport, it's a global phenomenon. From the iconic breaks of Hawaii to the pristine shores of Australia and the rugged coasts of South Africa, surf culture has left its mark on every corner of the globe. Fact 8. The evolution of surfing styles. Surfing has evolved over the years, giving rise to different styles and disciplines. From traditional longboarding to high-performance shortboarding. And the adrenaline-fueled world of big wave surfing, there's a style for every wave rider. Fact 9. Surfing's environmental impact. As surfers, we have a special connection to the ocean, making us keenly aware of the importance of environmental conservation. Surfers around the world are actively involved in initiatives to protect our oceans and beaches. Fact 10. Surfing's language. Surfing has its own unique language, filled with colorful slang and terminology. From shredding waves to hanging 10 and getting tubed, surfers have a vocabulary all their own. Fact 11. The Surfing Hall of Fame. The Surfing Hall of Fame honors the legends and pioneers who have made significant contributions to the sport. Inductees include iconic surfers, shapers, photographers, and industry innovators. Fact 12. Surfing's connection to nature. Surfing offers a profound connection to nature, allowing surfers to immerse themselves in the raw beauty and power of the ocean. It's a humbling experience that fosters a deep appreciation for the natural world. Fact 13. Surfing's impact on pop culture. Surfing has had a significant influence on pop culture, inspiring music, fashion, art, and film. From classic surf rock tunes to iconic surfwear brands and epic surf documentaries, the sport's influence is everywhere. Fact 14. The science of surf forecasting. Surf forecasting has become a science unto itself, with meteorologists using sophisticated models and data to predict wave conditions with remarkable accuracy. Surfers rely on these forecasts to score the best waves. Fact 15. Surfing's spirit of aloha. At its core, surfing embodies the spirit of aloha's sense of love, respect, and compassion for others and the world around us. It's more than just a sport, it's a way of life. And there you have it, 15 amazing facts that shed light on the rich history, culture, and impact of surfing. Whether you're a seasoned shredder or dreaming of catching your first wave, may your surfing journey be filled with stoke and endless adventures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, hang loose.